Why do I have hiccups? I hate having hiccups so much. It hurts. Hold your breath. Yeah, they always hurt. It's so annoying. Do you have blow the balloon up? It'll help with hiccups. Here's your esophagus like this movie. They're just really sharp. You like them up, you know? You can see the balloon hiccup. I can't do it. I can't hiccup when I blow. Would love to stay longer, but I don't. Thanks for hanging out, Bob. I hope you sleep good. Have a good night. Congratulations, Yesha. Congratulations on this up. I play NA and EU. I play both. Can I stop? Who waved at me? I didn't see you. I'm gonna play classic on EU and NA both. I started playing Wildlands in the US. Gonna play EU this time around. I'll play both. You gonna show my full skill? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I told... oh. I told chat I'll play you. Yeah, I'll play both on classic. Yeah, I know. I can't stop hiccuping. The reasons for classic, dude, that would be bomb. Actually, they're getting more violent. I hate it. I hate it so much. I don't know. He has such a good voice. Our hiccups like hitting Jan's wife just started. Sorry. I'm so sorry, chat. I'm really sorry you have to freaking hear this shit. I'm getting it serious, I'm sorry. Oh, there's a weed eater in the background too. I'm warning you guys, I'm gonna be really tired for tomorrow's stream. My schedule's fucked, but I'm gonna fucking wake up and do it anyways. I'll buy some fucking energy drinks or something tonight. Fuck. This is like the thing they used to kill the dragons in Game of Thrones. Did you eat anything? Yeah. I ate leftovers from yesterday for breakfast before I started streaming. I don't think I'm hungry. Pizza. I'm so annoyed. This tweet. My Uber driver is sexting via FaceTime while he's driving. That's pretty funny. Ugh, so annoying. Boo, I tried. Hey, what's up, Alpha? How are you? How's it going? How's your breath? Like swallow my breath? Doesn't that make hiccups more? And that'll be nice from chocolate. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. This sounds delicious. I want to mount. You like do a handstand and stuff too, right? Like that's supposed to be right. Hiccups. How close to mount? Fucking like 45 gold. Or 35 gold. Or whatever. I don't know, I need like 100 gold or something, right? And I have 64. I'm not good at math. That's 35, right? Aw, he loves my kitty. Just go to oranges on the mailbox. Falls a night up. Do duels for gold. But I'll lose all of my gold. We just don't lose forehead. Holy shit. my god, what potions I got? I got blacksmithing and mining, but they're not leveled. I need to take a day and level. And level them. I need to work on them. Yeah, I'm waiting for a group for. That's what I'm gonna do for armory, so I can still farm my weapon. Yeah, the thing is, I don't know how well, like, if I farm mats, I don't know how well it's really gonna work out for me because there's not that many people playing the beta, right? Force a burp? How do you force a burp? I feel like I'll puke if I do that. I can do it. I hiccuped it out. Ew. It didn't work. I still have hiccups. Hiccups last shorter time. That's all at 8 hours and drink from the opposite side of a glass. Like that? I don't think it works. Hey Frozy, what's up? You make it rain. So you have to lean forward to drink? Upside down. I felt like this but it looks on the outer edge. Wait, what do you mean? Like this? Shut up! I'm gonna spill on myself. Fuck you guys. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. I can't do that. I'll spill all over myself. Yeah, I have hiccups. That was almost legendary. Oh, oops. Do you have some hiccups? No, not that often. No, I don't have any antacids. I'm so annoyed. Ew. What's wrong with me right now? Ew, chat, chill out. What did I eat? I ate some leftovers, but it was a really long time ago. I don't know why you have hiccups right now. Oh, because got it. Gotcha. What just happened? I don't know. Try it off camera, I promise it works. Maybe. I know for sure I'll spill it on myself though. If I don't find anything in 20 minutes, I'm gonna fucking dip. Okay. Because I have to. I'm gonna shoot at my normal time tomorrow. This is a good song. How long did I have hiccups? I don't know, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes now? Earlier this minute, I got you. I'll link you, alright? I know this song is a really good song. It's so good, yeah, it's really good. Doing some squats. I'm glad you like. Glad you like. Sorry? Wait, for what? What's sorry? Huh? Okay, you guys know this. Who is this? Singing? I don't want to say this because I'll butcher it. Yeah, it is. It is Jacob Watt. Who? Who? Belgian? That's you. Oh, Dutch. Wait. Ah, fuck. I'm too late. I missed it. Yeah, no, let's just expire stuff. No, you don't really need a tank. You could try healing it. If you want to, yeah, we could do that. I don't know how long we're gonna be. We can do it for though. Do you wanna? I'll do like 2 runs or something if you want to. Alright. Are you logged in? Oh, man. I'm so annoyed. Chat, say hi. Yo, Retros, what's up? Yeah, I tried holding my breath, but I just hiccup out of it, you know. No, I haven't. It looks so. The government's trying to shut you up. True. It's actually sick, Alexa. And Joseph never gets sick. Sick. I'm so annoyed. I'm so frustrated. Aw, friends. Caps. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. I'm sorry you guys have to hear this. You guys probably unmuted me by now. I would have muted me, to be honest. Watch it. Shut up, Guru. Chico didn't even like my meme. It was a cute meme, okay? They're really annoying. Oh, I just stopped talking about it and stopped thinking about it. I think it'll go away.